Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Xbox Series X Launch Edition hoodie. So this is from Microsoft, special launch edition hoodie. Made brands Meta, designed in Los Angeles. So this is an official Xbox licensed product. Scarlet sounds like this was the code name of Xbox Series X. I see the Xbox logo up here, so let's open this up. Okay, launch edition. Let's see. Xbox logo up here. Again, it shows Series X Launch Edition hoodie. Have the Xbox logo inside. Xbox patch in the bottom corner. Interesting. It says Launch Edition up here. And the patch of the codename for Xbox Series X. So sleeves have red lining on them. See if the back has anything. Nope, nothing major on the back, just some red lining. But interesting hoodie, launch edition hoodie. No logo of the Xbox Series X or anything, but yeah, this is official Xbox Series X launch edition hoodie. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you all next time. Bye.